So, ladies and gentlemen, social media is pretty much anything you see on social media, whether it's text update, a photography, video link. And the part I want to try across today is cyberbullying on social media, since it is a hot topic nowadays. Okay, so the content that I'm going to talk today are Zoe Garber's story, the issue of cyberbullying, the three effective ways to prevent cyberbullying, and conclusion. So Zoe Garber was born in 2005 in the Philippines, moved to Singapore in 2010 with a family. One day she posted a video on TikTok about unboxing the child kidnapper from Denmark. Under the caption, my first love. That video gone viral. It reached over 23 million and it's over 42,000 on the video. But you know what? She got a lot of cyberbullying from Singaporean and from all nation countries. There were a lot of negative comments, and most of the comments said that only 13 to 20 bug bad culture, they blame and look down on her. Our sister released a new video linked to her struggle. The video she showed about her emotion with tears. Then an angel. That video appeared to the Child Care brand and they invited Zoe Gabriel and her dad to have lunch at the headquarters of Child Care. And you know what? I'm really shocked. She has now become the community ambassador of Child Care brand and she also become the ambassador of the Air Asia. Boom, that was brilliant. So, ladies and gentlemen, social media is pretty much anything you see on social media. Whether it's text update, a photography, video link. And the part I want to try across today is cyberbullying on social media, since it is a hot topic nowadays. Before I go deep in it, first of all, I would like to pay my respect to Mr. Nyaptinan, the deputy director of the CAMFIRST school, our management team, honorable judges, contestants, and all candidates who are here on today. My name is Seyha. I'm come from the CAMFIRST student guide CAMFIRST LY 8B. So today I'm here to present you about a topic, and my topic is cyberbullying is seen as an inappropriate attitude on social media. So what are the effective ways to prevent cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is seen as an inappropriate attitude that is increasingly become prevalent in social media. It is a form of harassment that can lead to emotion, distress, dispersion, and even suicide. Therefore, it is essential to take protective measures to prevent cyberbullying. So in this presentation, I'm going to highlight the three effective ways to prevent cyberbullying based on my research and my opinion. Firstly, the first way to prevent cyberbullying is to educate people. Educate them how harmful it is. Educate them how fake it is. Many people are not aware of consequences of cyberbullying. They may engage in it without realizing the harmful effect they are causing. So therefore, it is crucial to educate people, especially young people, about the danger of cyberbullying. School and college should organize a program to educate students about the cyberbullying, so students can record the negative information that has potential affect students' current and future physiological emotional state. As one of the quotes from Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Secondly, the second way to prevent cyberbullying is to encourage victims to speak up. Victims of cyberbullying often feel ashamed and embarrassed. They may not report the information to the people. So therefore, it is crucial to create a safe environment where victims can speak without fear of anybody. And social media platforms should write tools for reporting cyberbullying so that they can take the action against cyberbullying. As one of the quotes from Malala Yousafzai, don't wait someone speak up for you. Speak up for yourself. Thirdly, the third way to prevent cyberbullying is to promote positive online behavior. Social media platforms can promote positive online behavior by encouraging users to be kind and be respectful to another user. And social media platforms can write tools for users or victims to flag inappropriate content and report abusive behavior on social media, so that everyone will feel free and feel safe to use social media without threats by anyone. In conclusion, cyberbullying is a serious problem that requires everyone's attention. By educating people about the harmful effects, encouraging victims to speak up, and promoting positive online behavior,
We can prevent cyberbullying and create a safe and inclusive online environment. Last but not least, I strongly encourage to users or society. Guys, please be kind and be respectful to another user. Think before act and think before comment, guys. Thank you.